What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to drop in on a skateboard. Before you start learning this trick, just make sure that you can pump and kick turn. So you don't need to know how to kick turn, but it definitely helps just to work on your comfort and general board feel. Alright, so when you first learn how to drop in, it's definitely going to feel pretty scary. It's going to feel just like a free fall, and it takes a lot of commitment to be able to do it. But if you don't have that commitment, you're setting yourself up to fall. So one really cool technique I use whenever I'm teaching someone to drop in is I put my knee right here and I have them put all their weight on their left foot. Now it takes all the fear out of falling and slipping out, and they can really practice on keeping the back foot with no weight and all the weight on the front leg and dipping their shoulder forward. And it feels like it might be a lot, but as long as you put it up on your thigh, kind of hold it, it's not that much weight and it's pretty easy to do. I guess the hard part is just finding someone to do it for you. Yeah, this technique is huge for getting people to understand how far to lean in and not to press on the tail. So occasionally you could fall forward, that is a possibility, but you really have to be leaning too far forward. The most common way is slipping back. You just have to make sure you press those wheels down as hard as you can. And if you have any fear in your head, which you see when most people are setting up to drop in, they're kind of leaning back and just dangling that front foot on the board. If you're hovering on the tail even slightly, you're gonna slip back. And if you end up dropping in and doing like a tiny bit of a manual, you still gotta lean forward more. The idea is to put your front foot on the bolts and lean all the way in on your left foot. 100% of your weight is gonna be on your left leg. Your right leg's just kind of hovering over the tail. It's still on the board, but you're not pressing on it. Now a great way to get used to this is putting your tail on the ground and then stomping it down over and over until you feel comfortable. Also maybe learning on a small bank ramp or a smaller quarter pipe. Probably a good idea, because if you fall, it won't be from that high. Also, depending on your level, maybe you want to start rolling into a smaller bank ramp first and not dropping in, just so you get the feel of rolling down a ramp. One more thing to keep in mind is your footing. Now, you're gonna want to make sure your body's square and not with your feet pointing forward. And just remember, if you don't feel comfortable, you don't have to drop in on a big ramp. Try to find the smallest ramp you can. All right, I hope today's video was helpful. Thanks for watching.